Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program without our website. Just like me, I signed up for Amazon affiliate program without our website. Okay, so how you can do this? Okay, it's very simple. First thing you need to do, guys, I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to open a new browser here. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for Amazon Associate or Associate. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Now, after you search here for Amazon.com Associate, you want to click on it, the first result, and after that, you want to click on sign up. Okay, so here, of course, the first step is to add here your your address, like your home address, and here at the bottom it says here what is the main contact for this content, the payee listed above, and you want to click on next. Now here it says enter your website. Like a lot of people stuck in this page here where it says enter your website. Website doesn't mean you have to enter here like a website. You can just enter a YouTube channel. You can add a TikTok account. If you have like a TikTok account, you can add Pinterest account, you can add Twitter page here, you can add any platform. Okay, it doesn't really matter. So I signed up using my YouTube channel. Just make sure the channel has some videos in it. Okay, like some videos, and yeah, after that you just need to click on add. Okay, so the next one here, you don't have to add anything here if you don't have like an app or Alexa skill URL. As you can see, you don't have to add anything here. So after that, you want to click on next. Okay, so it says here, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? So I'm going to click on no because I don't target children under 13. Here it is, what is your preferred associate store ID? So you can just come up with any number here, doesn't really matter. And here tell us about the content you create. You just need to tell them about the content you create on any platform you add. For example, if you post videos on TikTok and you have added the link of your TikTok account on the website on here on Amazon, just like I did with my YouTube channel, you can add your TikTok, and then after that you can just tell them exactly the content you make on your TikTok. Okay, for example, I make dance videos just as example. Okay, and here which of the following best describes your content? For example, like search or blog. Okay, I'm going to click here on content or niche website. Here, how did you hear about us? You just need to select here, for example, word of a mouth or blog post, whatever. Okay, here you just need to enter the captcha here, which is like this captcha, and then you want to check this box that says you agree to the terms and conditions of the associate program operating agreement. After that, you want to click on finish. Okay, so after guys you click on finish, it's going to take you guys to the next page to just confirm. Okay, and then you can start using Amazon Associate. Okay, this is going to take let's say like few hours to get accepted into the Amazon affiliate program. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one, and make sure to drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next one.